What is up, Holoriders? It's Alex here. As I also announced in my previous video about Holoride, the ticket sale just went live. If you don't know what is Holoride or want to find out more about how the metaverse will join us in every car ride, I explain everything in this video. So starting from today, 25th November, 3 p.m. UTC, we are able to buy the tickets in a no-loss lottery on the Maiar Launchpad. There is only a 24-hour window when we can take action, so let's find out how to purchase these tickets. First of all, you should already know that in order to be qualified for the token sale, you have to have your KYC verification validated and completed. Also have EGLD staked in your Maiar wallet or web wallet to be assigned a tier of participation, as well as have EGLD unstaked to actually buy the tickets with. Now, I assume you already know your position, know how many tickets you can get, have the EGLD prepared to buy them, so let's do that. Once in the Maiar Launchpad, you can notice that the timer section changed, and now you can click here to participate. This is also where you can see how many tickets you have got. Make sure you carefully read and acknowledge the terms and conditions of the sale. After you are sure you want to continue, click in all the 3 corresponding boxes. You will have to sign up again for the transaction and wait for processing. I have already 4 EGLD available in my wallet that are enough to buy the 8 tickets I am eligible for. To calculate how much EGLD you need to buy the tickets you are eligible for, it's really simple. All you have to do is divide the value of tickets you want to purchase based on your tier to the price of EGLD that was announced as a constant for this sale, which is $425.53 per EGLD or 0.47 EGLD per ticket. In my case, I can purchase 8 tickets, so I will divide 1600 to 425.53, and now I know that I need 3.76 EGLD to buy the 8 tickets. Once you hit the button, you are basically all set up for success. One last important thing to remember is that either if you win or not with any of your tickets, you will need to manually claim back your EGLD or the Holoride tokens after the lottery draw on 26th November. So that will make it for this video, but stay tuned since the official token listing will take place on the Maiar exchange. The exact date will be announced shortly after this public sale ends, and I will release a video to show you exactly how to buy RIDE tokens from there. Thank you for watching. If you found the video useful, please consider sharing it and subscribe to stay up to date with some of the best and most revolutionary projects and updates out there. Wish you all good luck for the lottery and see you soon.